What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Whistleboater channel. I've done this before, but this is going to be an updated version because we have done so much work on the boat over the winter that I just felt that an updated stateroom tour is worth doing. I'm also going to do one for the salon and galley, so look for that one as well. But I'm going to start here in the VIP stateroom, show you around a little bit, show you the updates, talk about a couple things that I still plan to do to it, but it's transformed quite a bit. So I'll get the camera turned around here, and then I'll show you the VIP stateroom. Then we'll go back to the master stateroom or the captain's quarters. Entering the forward stateroom, the VIP stateroom, first thing you're going to notice is the new carpet. Replace the old blue matted down carpet that was in there with a kind of a white, gray, black neutral color that goes very, very well with the painted cabinet and cubby doors. Those turned out great. I replaced all the hardware on all the pull hardware on the drawers and cubby doors. There's another video out on painting and replacing hardware. Also replaced that Lexan, piece of Lexan. It was cracked, still operated, but it was cracked, so replace that. There's tons of storage on this boat. I'll just start right here with that. You've got storage back in there. Also have storage inside that one. It's a little bit narrower because obviously the boat tapers towards the bow. Behind these mirrors here, storage. And this drawer houses electrical stuff, tools, tape, sealants, that kind of thing. Now these shelves I do intend to do something with. You'll see in the master stateroom that I did paint these countertops, or these shelves I should call them. Probably will do the same thing up here, just haven't got to it yet. So staying over here, got one port light. Those are cloudy. I don't know if they were intentionally made that way, just to let in some diffused light, or if they have just clouded up from age. Not really concerned about those right now. Put in all new outlets. I was going to do GFCI outlets throughout the boat, but there's just not enough space in the junction box for GFCI outlets to go into. I did do GFCIs around the heads and the galley. I'll show that in a second here in the forward head. But all the other outlets on the boat just got replaced with white outlets. Also put in all new fire extinguishers throughout the boat to meet the new Coast Guard regulations for a boat of this length. So they're all brand new, except the engine room automatic fire suppression system. I will have that inspected, but that's a much larger system. So I've got a very big locker here. No changes here. Just cleaning supplies are stored in here. And when we do have guests, this makes a big difference in being able to hang up your clothes. Got a window that from the salon area that comes just forward into this locker. And all the lockers do have mirrors on them. I haven't done anything with the vinyl around the bed. It obviously is still brown. That would have matched the cabinets and everything that was there before. I don't think it looks too bad the way it is right now, and I don't know if I really want to do anything with that, but that hasn't changed. Same full to queen size bed up here. We do intend to replace the comforter at some point because we have a new painting in here. It was painted by one of my best friend's daughters, Maddie. Looks fantastic in here. And going a little bit farther forward here, we do have a mirror up here with a couple of LED lights. That corrugated wood color stuff probably is going to get painted as well. And behind the mirror is the anchor chain locker. Up here, brand new sunshade that was made by my neighbor Ursula. And underneath the sunshade is the new hatch that I replaced. There we go. Nice and clear. Look how clear that is. Remember how cloudy it was in that last video? Brand new. If you take the shade down, I do have a screen now that we can put up there when the hatch is open. Over on this side, tabletop, that's going to get transformed, painted, something. Nice big storage area under there. New outlet on that side as well. Headliner is in fantastic condition. Got brand new LED lights. These are touchpad. Can change the dimness and shut them off with a touch of the button. Or a touch of the pad, I should say. Then over here is the forward head. Not any big changes in here, but did put up a curtain that matches the curtains that are on the port side door and the master stateroom. And then I replaced the faucet with the newer modern style. Also over here we have a new GFCI outlet as required for spaces that contain water discharge, just to keep things safe. Got a Jabsco electric toilet here, and then the shower has been converted to kind of a linen closet. We keep our towels in here, extra trash bags, more towels and blankets up there. And still not crazy about the parquet floor, but I don't know, I'll probably just leave it for now. Also have all new door handles throughout the boat. Those were specifically mentioned in that last video that I did not like them, but they are now all replaced with nickel satin finished door handles. The door has a keep open latch, and if you want full privacy, got a very nice private quarters up here. Down here, new stainless steel kick plate that I installed. If you recall from watching the last video, if you watched the last one, that area gets kicked, obviously, because of the step. There was nothing there before, so the vinyl was torn away. So that's now protected. And then let's see if I can do this with one hand. Underneath this carpet here is the forward basement storage. Got extra shore power cords here when we're away from our dock. If we go someplace, we would just coil up the power cords on the dock, leave those here. We have these for visiting other places. So then I've got extra water hose, waste hose, power cords, extension cords. And if you go up under here, there is some pig mats. Now that the light is on, you can see how far forward the storage goes. Tons of room up there. I just don't have any need to put anything up there right now. There is the seacock for the forward toilet and the bilge pump for the forward bilge. There's also a panel underneath all these cords that leads down into the keel bilge. There's nothing down there. All right, so one more look. This is the forward VIP stateroom. Okay, as we work our way into the aft stateroom, master stateroom, captain's quarters, whatever you want to call it. Again, all new carpet back here. Entering into the master stateroom, we do have nice big storage locker here. 2 shelves. There's also access to the shore power outlets and the water inlet up top there. Have our Burgee stored here, along with a set of keys, a couple of different style keys for gas tanks, water tanks, that kind of thing. Up here we also have the boat keys for the engines and a floating multi-tool It's also used for gas tanks and water tanks. Smoke detector, air conditioner heat controls on this side, and 3 steps down into the master stateroom. And this is massively different than what it was in the first video. New comforter, of course, all new carpet. All of the cabinets, countertops, shelves, whatever you want to call them, got painted. We put in all new curtains, changed the valances back to their original vinyl. Got new LED lights. And again, on that side, curtains and lots more storage. Back up under there, new outlets on both sides as well. LED light bulbs put in the fixtures. The mirror, interestingly enough, folds up, but there's nothing behind it. It's just a wall. So I'm not really sure why that mirror folds up, but it does. Underneath the bed is the gas tanks. And also back here, there's 2 hatches that go down to the tops of the rudders for servicing those. I did get those done over the winter. The rudder packing glands have been replaced. And access to the aft bilge. And the power steering pack and the trim tab actuators. Here we have a nice big locker with lots of hanging space. The air conditioner heating ducting runs through here. Nice, big, and tall. There is the aforementioned heating and air conditioning vent. And as we go over to the head, again, no big changes in here, but new faucet did get installed. This one already had a GFCI outlet. I did not change it to white. The white one didn't seem to fit quite right, so I just put a white faceplate on it. Jabsco electric toilet, storage there, and storage in that drawer. This one does not open. New curtain, pulls back easily to access the mirror, or there you go, or daylight. Took the valance back to its original vinyl in here as well. And then we have a full shower with a tub. Didn't do anything in here except replace that dome light with an LED light bulb. May at some point replace that faucet, but that's not high on the list. And the last thing in here, new LED lights. These have all been shown on a separate video. Underneath the carpet here, there are 2 access panels that go to the prop shaft guides. Just a very small space. You can kind of see into the aft bilge, but not very well. So this is the aft stateroom. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. I felt like an updated video was necessary, just because there were so many changes done since the first stateroom tour that I did last year. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.